Good morning, children. This is Ishwar, social teacher in Lotus High School. Today, we are going to discuss a very interesting story. See the children, one picture is displayed on the screen. Who is? Yes, a potter. What he is doing? A potter makes pots. So he used some mud and potter's wheel. With these things, he is making a number of pots. Through this activity, he is earning the money. See the children, who is? He is a farmer. Farmer works in a farm. A farmer grows food, vegetables and fruits for us. So a farmer gets some income through the farming. Through this activity, he is a run his family. See the children, who is? He is a postman. What he is doing? A postman brings a letters. A postman working in post office. So through this job, he is earning the money. He is maintaining his family. He is very supported to the family. See the children, one more picture is displayed on the screen. Who is? Yes, very good. He is a policeman. So policeman, he is a protects people and make them to very safe. A policeman work in a police station. Through this job, he is a earn the money. Then he is a run his family. See the children, who is he? Yes, a doctor. A doctor treats patients and gives medicines. A doctor works in a hospital. Through this activity, he is earn the money. His family members are the depending on him. Children, see the screen. One picture is displayed on the screen. Who he is? Yes, he is a goldsmith. A goldsmith makes a jewelry. These jewelries are sells to the peoples. Then he is earn the money. So he is a runs his family through this activity. See the children, one more picture is displayed on the screen. Who is? He is a milkman. Milkman supplies the milks to the all. He is a roaming from one areas to the another areas to sell the milk. Through this job, he is a earn the money. See the children, one more picture is displayed on the screen. Who is? He is a tailor. Tailor stitches clothes. So through this job, he is a earn some money to run his family. See children, already you are the learned few occupations like a cobbler, milkman, tailor, teacher, doctor, potterman, etc. So here also one more occupation displayed. So one person is a blow the bean. So with his bean make the snake to dance. So here a snake charmer is there. A snake charmer, what he is doing? Make the snake to dance with his bean. So through this he is earn some money. Their family members depending on him. So he is earn the money through this activity. He is make a number of the entertainment shows here and there also. So he is a known as a snake charmers. Let us we will learn about a snake charmer story. Today's lesson is a snake charmer story. I am a Aryanath. I can do something special which I am sure none of you can do. Do you know what? I can play the bean. Here see children, what is the bean? Bean is an instrument which is used to snake charmers to play the snake. You must be surprised. Yes, I can make snakes dance by playing the bean. Snake charmers make the snake to play by bean. I have learned that art from my family members. We people are known as Kalbilyas. Kalbilyas means snake charmers. Snake charmers are known as a Kalbilyas. So these Kalbilyas make the snakes to dance by playing a bean. My grandfather Roshnath ji was a famous amongst our people. He could easily catch many poisonous snakes. He tells me many stories almost about his past. Come, listen to his story in his own words. A Nagamphan is a new design. The design of this kind are used in rangoli, embroidery and as wall decoration in Saurashtra, Gujarat and South India. This is a one design so they can use in wall decoration and rangoli. Dadaji remembers. Dadaji means a grandfather. So he is a remember his story. From the time of my grandfather and great grandfather, we have always been saperas. Saperas means snake charmers. Snakes have been an important part of our life. We use it to move from village to village, carrying our snakes in a bamboo basket. So children, generally saperas are the moving from one area to another areas to showing some snake circus like. So in this way they used the snakes, make them to dancing by playing bean. Bean means a instrument which is used to make the snake to dance. Whenever we stopped in a village, a crowd would gather around us. See the children, many people also gathering around us to watching these shows. We would be take out our snakes from our baskets. Even after the shows, people would stay on. They know that in our tin box there were many types of the medicines for them. See children, saperas are the they have to maintaining some of the medicines